Where are we at?
I'm at the RV.
You're at the RV? Yeah.
Oh! What's that, Daddy?
That's a motorhome.
Oh!
You want to help Daddy with the hot water tank?
Of course.
Yay! In previous videos we talked about the previous owners didn't take care of the coach. We sanitized the hot water tank, the hot water heater I should say, several times, and we got the water clear, but you can't drain it. And if you look down, let me move the camera a little bit. The Anode that they have in there has been in there so long that it's basically rusted. So I've been saying how I've been losing stuff, so I went ahead and got another bit, perfect size for that. And then they had a buy one get one deal, so we're set for a bit. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in. What you want to do before you even touch any of this is make sure it's cooled down. Secondly, it's going to hold water and it's going to hold pressure. Pull up on here. We've already drained pretty much the whole tank, so there's no pressure in it. That will release the water and the pressure, because if not, the second you take this off, that water is going to shoot out at you. And if it's hot, it's going to burn you. Even if it's cold, it has enough force to knock you down. I know from experience. Doesn't come, always make sure you have a backup. Here comes the water. And look, there's nothing even left of this. So, the last owners, I don't think did anything of it, and I don't even know if the original owners ever changed it. Okay, well here's theirs. Eating away. This is a new one. Yeah. That's that. Now when it's out, you could run water and just kind of flush it out. When we get to the campground, that's when I'm going to do it. I don't have any water here. We're at the storage lot. But change that once a year. You know, or just keep an eye on it. The pack that we had has two of them, so we're good. So that's how you change one. Not that hard. Make sure you have the right socket. 1 1/16 is the socket. And do it at least once a year. If you're in an area that's prone for hard water and all that, then maybe more often. Anyhow, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy trails.